Hello everyone, welcome to session 21. From this session, we are going to start advanced JavaScript. Let us start our advanced JavaScript session with classes. Classes are the special type of functions when we can define the class just like function declaration and function expressions. The JavaScript class contains various class members within a body, including methods or constructors. Class is executed in strict mode, so the coding containing silent error or mistake throws an error. There are two class syntax or two components. Let us see class declaration and class expression. We will see how to use this. We will start with class declaration. A class can be defined using a class declaration. Class keyword is used to declare a class with any particular name. Example, class ABC, class XYZ. According to JavaScript naming conventions, the name of the class always starts with an uppercase letter. Let us see example of declaration. In this, I am declaring class employee. Here I am using first capital letter, that is uppercase, which is a standard way of creating class. Now I am initializing an object constructor. I'll pass the ID and name. This dot id is equal to id and this dot name is equal to name. I am declaring method detail and I will print this id and name which is taken by the user. I will print class.id plus name, and here are two variables e1 and e2 is equal to employee 101 and Martin Roy, e2 new employee 102 Duke William. I am calling the method e1.detail and e2.detail. This will print as Martin Roy and Duke William. Class declaration example with hoisting. Unlike function declaration, the class declaration is not a part of JavaScript hoisting, so it is required to declare the class before invoking it. Let us see with example. Here we are invoking the class before declaring. Variable e1 is equal to employee, new employee 101 and Martin Roy. e2 new example 102 Duke William. Now I am calling the method first. e1.detail, e2.detail. Declaring a class employee, initializing an object is a similar code as we seen before. Here I'll get uncaught reference error. Employee is not defined at the employee.html4. Just because I am writing this before class, so I am not this code is not working. Our execution will start from class. So we have to write this after the class declaration. Now we will see example of redeclaring class. A class can be declared once only. If we try to declare one or more time, it throws an error. See, I am using class employee constructor same as before and document.write variable. Now I have declared this class employee again. Once this class is declared and again I am declaring this class, what I am getting is uncaught syntax error, identifier employee has already been declared. I can't declare those class name repeatedly. We can't use same class name as or number of time. If we want two classes, then you can use it by other name. We will see class expression. Another way to define a class by using a class expression, it is not mandatory to assign the name of the class. So the class expression can be named or unnamed. The class expression allows us to fetch the class name. Let us see how with example. This is an unnamed class expression. I am declaring variable emp and this is class, constructor and all this. Write in emp dot name. It will give us the output EMP. Okay. Class can be expressed without assigning any name to it. It will assign it this way because variable EMP is uh, assigned by class directly. Class expression redeclaring the class. Unlike class declaration, the class expression allows us to redeclare the same class. So if we try to declare the same class more than one time, it throws an. Let us see one more example of class. Here I am using variable EMP uh, which will initialize the class. I am declaring the class over here. Variable EMP is equal to class, initializing an object. Here I am declaring the method, passing object to a variable. E1 is equal to Martin, E2 is equal to Duke. Here I am redeclaring the class. Variable EMP, before also I have used this and again I am using this. EMP class, again same constructor, I'll print the same, but value of EM is James and E2 is Nick. Now let us see how it will print the output. It will print 101 Martin Roy, 102 Duke William, 103 James Bella, 104 Nick Johnson. In this, I have declared two times, but it is functioning same as before. This class is getting end there and then I'm redeclaring the class and then it is working and the values are different. Named class expression example. The scope of the class name is up to the class body. The class will retrieve using class.name. Here I am using variable EMP and class employee. In this class employee, there is a constructor ID and name. Then this ID is equal to ID and this name is equal to name. I will print emp.name. Now the emp.name is employee. This will print the output employee. Thank you.